आता पळया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
भारतीय महिला बँकेचे मंगळारा सांतिनेज वाठारात उक्तावण जाले. गोंयांत पहिलेच फावट महिला बँक सुरू जाल्या.
Opened our 14th branch at Goa. I mean the first branch of Goa at Panjim. Certainly we are looking to opening one or two more branches in the next year. Maybe we would like to go into the interiors, looking for some good centers in Goa where women dominated groups, so that the real benefit passes on to them.
इस्कॉनच्या गोंय फाट्यान 6वो जागृती 2014 हो आध्यात्मिक जागृती उत्सव दवरला. कार्यावळ कला अकादमीच्या दिनारात मंगेशकर सभागृहात 14 आणि 15 मार्चाक जातली.
That is the coming Friday and Saturday. It will be evening from 6:30 to 9 p.m. The venue is Dinanath Mangeshkar Hall in Kala Academy. So we are hopeful and confident that the people of Goa who will come to attend this 2-day program will go back, enlightened, enriched, and in a better way to face life in a very positive way. And we also have after the Jagriti, we have a 6-day Gita course which is coming up. So that course, the registration for the course will also happen during the 2-day Jagriti festival.
लोकसभा वेंचणुकेचेर दोळो दवरून मुख्यमंत्र्यान बजेट मांडला म्हूण फोंडा विकास समितीन टिका केल्या. मुख्यमंत्र्यान दिल्ली आश्वासनां आनी येवजण्यो तडीक लागतल्यो हाचेर समितीक दुबाव.
कालच्या एका चॅनलाचेर सरळ सांगलां 2012-13 तूं जी ताणें आश्वासन दिल्ली बजेटाक तेन्ना कांय फुडें पडपी नाशिल्लो. तातली फक्त 50% आश्वासनां पूर्ण जाल्या. ताणें अगदी स्टॅटिस्टीक दिली 50% जालें. म्हणजे तुम्ही विचार करात आतां कशें जातलें. आतां मायनींग इन्कम बंद आसा, इन्कम रेव्हेन्यू बंद आसा आनी आतां ताणें जवळ जवळ 10,000 कोटीचो ताणें आमकां हें केला घोशणा केल्या. ते कश्यो जातले ते तुमी सांगा. म्हणजे सरळ ही लोकांची दिशा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
गोंयच्या फ्रँचायझीच्या नेटार GCA GPL खेळटा. उद्या त्या खेळगड्यांक GPLांतल्यान उर्बा मेळटा. पावणेंतल्यान खेळगड्यांक बरे पयशे मेळटात. म्हत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार तांकां खेळपाची संद मेळटा. डेम्पो क्रिकेट क्लब आनी सर्वोदया रॉयल्स GPL सर्तींत पयलीं सावन आसात आनी तांणी बरी कामगिरी केल्या. अंदू लोकांक जिनो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब GPLांत पयलेच फावट दिसतले.
We'd like to promote local talent, and through the GPL, then probably they have an outlet in IPL and more so. So this is just another opportunity that Goans get to display their talent in a particular sport, and I'm very excited that we are there in the race for this. We have a mix of new and old players, and I think it will work good as a combination. They look very confident. The coach is the same, so we have the same strategy in place. So we are quite excited about the team, and let's see where it takes us. The objective is always to win, and as you said, our performance has never been dismal. We have come very close to winning finals, but last year we made it. See, business opportunities can always be looked again and again. At the moment, I find IPL valuations expensive. We also haven't put in very serious amount of money in cricket. There is no team in the national radar as of now. But as I said, business opportunities come and go. But we definitely like to build our cricket in Goa and take it to greater heights.
ह्या वर्साची टुर्नामेंटाक एक्चुअली आमी मिन्स एक टार्गेट आमी दवरलें आसा की जिखपाकच जाय म्हणून. एक्चुअली आमी 3 वेळा जे रनर्स अप जाले ते मायनर मिस्टेक, म्हणजे चड व्हडली अशी कांय न्ही. सो वी आर होपिंग दीस इयर ऑल्सो मिन्स वी वील विन लायक. सुदीप त्यागी म्हणून घेतला जो चेन्नई सुपर किंगाक खेळटालो, इंडियेकूय बी खेळ्ळा आनी सद्या आतां हातूंत रणजी ट्रॉफीकूय आसा तांगेले. सेकंडली वरुण सूद म्हणून दिल्ली, तोय दिल्ली रणजी ट्रॉफी करंट प्लेयर आसा. देन अक्षत पांडे जो रेल्वेक खेळटा. ह्या वर्साक चड करून बॉलिंगाचेर फोकस घेतला. म्हणजे बॉलिंग सायड मातशी लास्ट इयर सुद्दां मातशी आमची वीक जाली मातशी. सो वी नो दॅट इवन ते म्हणजे 2 वर्सां कंटिन्युअस आमी मातशी बॉलिंगेक लागून हे जाले. बट ह्या वर्साक आमी वी नो दॅट बॉलिंगेचेर आमी चड स्ट्रेस धरल्या.
We are basically approaching the tournament as we are looking to develop the Goan sportsmen. आमी जशी टीम केल्या, we have tried to look at players who are utility players, all-rounders, who can bat and bowl and who have been performing well in the previous season. it is very difficult to set targets in cricket, because cricket is a game of the day. Which team plays well on that day wins. But we believe, given that the talent that we have got at our disposal from the auctions, if our players play to their full potential, we are looking at least towards reaching the semi-finals of all three formats: GPL, the Premier Division, as well as Bandorkar Trophy.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
गोंयांत पयलेच फावट .4x4 ऑफ रोड रॅली केप्यां जाली. थरारक अशा ट्रॅकार ड्रायव्हरांच्या कळाशेचो खरो कस लागलो. पळयात ह्या ऑफ रोड रॅलीची कांय थरारक खिणचित्रां. इतल्यान ही खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.